Did you know that during the 2022 Iceland volcano eruption, travelers who booked directly online waited up to 14 days for refunds, while agency clients were rebooked on new flights within hours, at no extra cost? That single event saved agency travelers an average of $1,800 each. Welcome to the hidden superpower sitting right in front of your screen. Imagine a world where someone else fights the airlines, chases the hotel upgrades, and whispers the secret overwater bungalow that never appears on Expedia. That world isn't fantasy, it's the daily reality of a great travel agency. While online sites flash bright prices and instant buttons, agencies operate in the shadows like seasoned explorers who already know every shortcut, storm, and sunrise on the map. Here's the big misconception. Most people think agencies are relics, expensive middlemen in a world of cheap clicks. They see the 10% service fee and run. But the truth? That fee often disappears because agencies have access to wholesale rates, exclusive perks, and relationships that online algorithms can't touch. The real challenge is trusting a human over a robot when everything feels one tap away, until the flight cancels, the visa rule changes, or the dream resort quietly overbooks. Let's unpack what actually happens behind the curtain. Agencies hold IATA and CLIA accreditations that unlock net fares, rates 15 to 30% lower than public prices. They bundle air, hotel, and transfers into private contracts the big sites can't see. When a hurricane hits, they trigger force majeure clauses and move you before the airline even admits there's a problem. They know the manager at that boutique hotel in Santorini who slips you a free suite upgrade because you're their client. They negotiate group space on sold-out Antarctica cruises years in advance. And yes, they still answer the phone at 2 a.m. when your passport goes missing in Bangkok. Exploration reveals layers of magic, 24/7 emergency lines, trip interruption insurance that actually pays out fast, custom itineraries stitched from a dozen suppliers, and insider experiences like after-hours Colosseum tours or chef's table dinners on the Amalfi Coast. Online sites give you options, agencies give you certainty. The golden moment came last summer with Maria, a solo traveler headed to Japan during Golden Week. Every online portal screamed sold out for Kyoto hotels, prices tripled, trains vanished. She called her agency in desperation. 40 minutes later she had a traditional ryokan that never lists online, a pocket Wi-Fi waiting at arrivals, and a private tea ceremony with a geisha, all for less than the inflated Oda quotes. When Typhoon Nanmadol hit, her agent rerouted her to Takayama before JR East even suspended lines. She landed home saying, "I didn't just visit Japan, Japan took care of me." Choosing an agency doesn't mean paying more, it means traveling better, lighter, safer, richer in stories. It turns travelers into guests of honor instead of just another booking number. So tell me honestly, next big trip, would you rather fight the algorithm alone or have a seasoned ally who's already been there, done that, and still has the hotel GM on speed dial? Drop your choice in the comments. I read every one.